My life and business is different now because I have more time. I am not babysitting my note-taking, organizing, distilling, expressing system. I have more time in my life to do more business or creative things. My name is Shirley Rivera. I am an entrepreneurial engineer. My company is Resource Catalyst. It's my own consulting practice. A dullness, if you will, to my personal knowledge management. So I had a personal knowledge management process for several years before even learning about building a second brain. And that dullness was what inspired me to take building a second brain. Building a second brain provided me with this refreshing and renewed way of looking at my business. He's very clear, he's got his slides, and he's able to communicate, the objectives, and it's fruitful. I felt like I was in direct dialogue with him. And I also feel like, having looked at the chat that was happening in Zoom, that other people were getting the same kind of benefit. Tiago had a way of not just dialoguing with me and answering the question, but also having a way that speaks to everybody else that was, on that session. The first thing that happened is I decided to quit a client, and that decision did not come easy. I remember just thinking about sort of the relevance of what am I working on, because building a second brain does that. You're putting your projects and your resources. I would recommend building a second brain to people who are interested to take the opportunity to use this very structured, specific, clear objectives course and dive in, because I feel there's two main reasons: the community and the course instructors and mentors. Everything throughout the entire coursework is very clear and specific. There's support along the way. The third thing is I feel like I have gotten a return on my investment, threefold at this point.